This is Cap Fam News. Good afternoon. I am your host, Connor Emnett, reporting live from Capital University's campus. Tonight, we're discussing about groundbreaking research about our very own health and wellness, with the topic of protein synthesis. Research shows how the protein we consume benefits the recovery process for our muscles. We will now take you to Connor Emnett's clone to discuss further on this research. Hi there, I'm Connor Emnett's clone, and I'm just outside on my back porch, enjoying the lovely sun, hearing the birds chirp, and I'm gonna tell you a little story. So I've been lifting for some years now, and I've noticed that I've come a long way in my training and progress. I not only give credit to my training, but also to my high protein diet. Ever since I put a focus onto my nutrition, my family, my friends, and seeing many online personalities talking about how protein is the most important component when trying to accomplish muscle growth. I'm here to tell you why that is. When you eat a steak or drink a protein shake, your muscles grow, get stronger, and are less sore. The reason for your muscles growing after a workout when you eat protein is a scientific term called protein synthesis. And before we talk about the process and how the muscles grow with protein synthesis, we have to talk about what it is first. And I bet you're wondering, the world is wondering, why when we eat ribeyes and drink protein shakes and have all this other protein in the world, why does it make our muscles grow? According to Science Direct from Joseph F. from the Encyclopedia of Cell Biology, protein synthesis is a core component of cellular regulation, such as restoring tissues, organs, as well as the entire body. I will now explain the process of protein synthesis and how our food that we eat, the protein that we eat, fuels our muscles and helps it grow. So according to Oz Bioscience, protein synthesis starts off with a transcription from DNA to mRNA. This means once the DNA becomes mRNA through being transcribed, the mRNA is turned into cytoplasm, where the amino acids from the cytoplasm are read by ribosomes in order to form what is known as protein. This protein will enter the muscles and start the recovery process. Now that I've explained the process of how protein builds muscles within the body, I bet you're wondering, why is it important to get our protein in? Is protein only for muscle growth? The short answer is no. But I will give you the research found to back up this claim. According to Piedmont, chef and dietitian Nancy Waldeck says that it's important to consume protein every day. Protein keeps our cells working and staying healthy because of the chained amino acids your body needs, which is in protein. Beyond the topic of repair, protein also brings oxygen to the muscles and is important for a healthy digestion. Lastly, protein helps regulate hormones and helps develop new cells for our body. In conclusion, protein is vital when it comes to our health. We need protein in our bodies so that cells can develop, so we can function and be healthy day to day. So if you get anything from the research I've told you today, please consider putting more protein in your diet so you can be at peak performance. Whether it's at the gym, at work, or in the comfort of your own home, eat more protein and be healthier. Going back to you, Connor. Thank you, Connor Emnett's clone. I will be sure to add more protein in my diet so that I can be jacked for the summer that is shortly coming up. I'm Connor Emnett from Cap Fam News at Capital University. Thank you and good night.